Are you looking to enhance your selfies? Today, we're diving into a face off between Facetune and Persona. Which one is better for perfecting your photos? Both tools are designed to help you edit and improve your pictures. They make it easy to touch up skin, adjust lighting, and add filters. But they each have their unique features. Let's start with Facetune. This app is all about fine tuning your selfies. It offers powerful tools for smoothing skin, whitening teeth, and reshaping facial features. Many users love its easy to use interface. You can make quick edits and see results right away. Facetune is perfect for anyone wanting to look their best in photos. Now, let's talk about Persona. This app takes a different approach. It focuses on creating a personalized look. You can choose from various styles and effects to match your vibe. Persona also uses AI to enhance your images, making it feel more like a creative tool than just an editing app. It's great for those who want to express their unique style. So, what are the key differences? Facetune is more about precise edits, while Persona is about artistic expression. If you want to polish your selfies, Facetune is the way to go. If you are looking to create something unique, Persona might be a better fit. When it comes to features, both apps offer filters and basic editing tools. However, Facetune excels in skin retouching, while Persona shines in creative effects. In terms of pricing, both apps require a purchase, but they may have different subscription options. It's worth checking their websites for the latest details. In the end, if you want flawless selfies, go for Facetune. If you prefer a creative touch, choose Persona. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.